Welcome to the world famous Guarantee RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Gary Christensen. We've got some great trailers in stock. Let's go all the way to the summit. Okay, not that good. Come on inside, we'll take a look. A nice little small trailer from Catalina, 162 FB model. And any guesses in the house? Yes, front bed, you got it. Nice little small trailer, very short. It's got a nice full double bed up front. You've got storage at the headboards as well as outlets. You do have a window that you can open up. There's wired for TV, a backer already in place. Good overhead storage. It's got ample kitchen storage. Solid surface countertop. Of course, you're lighting your fan with your microwave up on top. And good storage above the kitchen area. Two-person dinette. You can drop the table down as it is now, slide the cushions together, and you've got a nice third place sleeping area. Covers all the way across the door side. And since I've got the bathroom door open to let the light in, let's take a look at it. It's a low threshold shower. It's got the nice raised top in here, so there's plenty of room. A little shower curtain, room on the stool. And then we'll peek at this closet by the doorway, because it's pretty cool. Lower storage. Pan on up. Nice big side-by-side storage area, and of course you can put shoes at the bottom. We'll move back up top, and you've got a nice big storage area up here. Double step. Okay, survey says 2,900 pounds. Nice lightweight trailer. It's got the door release here on your screen door. Double step, electric awning, outdoor light, and speakers. Front storage compartment, which will catch around the way. 4 stabilizer jacks, spare tire, outdoor shower. Of course, your sewer hose. Sewer hose, yeah, we provide that. Sewer hose, water hose, yada yada. Whole little customer care pack we all include in a delivery, along with battery and a propane. And a detail with a walkthrough. Dump stations here, valves are easy to get to. Short cord comes out here. You have cable satellite hookup. Your furnace exhaust and intake. Yeah, this little bad boy here gets warm if you got the furnace going to heat the place up. Access for a technician to service the refrigerator. Vents up on top. Your vent right here is for the hood for the stove. Stove top. Single axle, hot water heater, and here's some more of that storage down underneath, which is accessible from underneath the bed inside. Single propane tank up front. You can get a 5 or optional upgrade to a 7. Comes with 1 RV battery. I'm certain you've got a couple questions on this product or anything else. Just shoot me a line direct at 541-554-9581. Gee whiz, my email's there too. Get a hold of me. We'll do it. Get you camping. Thanks.